Apple introduced the new iPhone SE with a screen of 4.7 inches, 11.9 centimeters. In Europe, versions with 64, 128 or 256 gigabytes of internal memory will be available at a price of €415. The smartphone is presented in white, black and product, red, colors. Pre-order can be issued from April 23rd, and sales of the new iPhone will begin on April 24th. The smartphone is equipped with a Retina HD display with a diagonal of 4.7 inches, 11.9 centimeters, i.e., like the iPhone 8. The technical characteristics of the new device are the same as the flagship models. In particular, it received the A13 Bionic processor, which up to 2.4 times more productive than the A9 chip in the first SE, and on the schedule it exceeds it by 4 times. Only one rear camera is built into the iPhone, a wide-angle sensor with a resolution of 12 megapixels, a focal length of 28 mm and an aperture of f1.8. The camera also supports all the functions that the flagship models have: portrait mode, advanced Smart HDR, 4K video, etc. Second generation iPhone SE supports 2 SIM cards, regular and eSIM. It has a home button with a Touch ID fingerprint sensor instead of the Face ID system. The company notes that the device is protected from water and can withstand immersion to a depth of 1 meter for 30 minutes. This is the first Apple smartphone, which is not presented at an offline presentation. An employee of one of the major retailers said in an interview that with a price of $400 and performance similar to flagship models, the device's prospects are excellent, especially in times of crisis, and demand will be high. In addition, the device has better protection against moisture and drops, which can reduce insurance costs when buying, he added. The press service, when asked about the prospects of the new device on the market, said that Apple products are always in high demand. The fact that the company is preparing to introduce the second-generation iPhone SE in the fall of 2019 was written by Nikkei, citing sources. With the help of new items, Apple wants to attract customers in developing countries and return part of the audience that has moved to Huawei and other competitors, the publication explained. Apple introduced the iPhone SE in 2016. A phone with a screen diagonal of 4 inches, 10 centimeters, cost from $399. In 2016 alone, 30 million devices were sold and another 10 million in the next 2 years.